Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do exercise 5a, question number 10 and 11 in this video. Let's start with question number 10. Solve the following equations. Part A, 12 upon x plus 3 is equal to 2. Let's start. In first step, we cross multiply x plus 3 with 2 like that. 12 is equal to 2 times of x plus 3. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. So 2x is equal to 12 less 6. 2x is equal to 6, and eventually x will become 6 upon 2, that is 3, and this is our required answer. Now moving to part B, 11 upon 2x less 1 is equal to 4. Let's start. Similarly, 2x minus 1 multiply with 4 like that. 11 is equal to 4 times of 2x minus 1. That will give us 4 times 2 is 8x plus minus minus 4 times 1 is 4. 8x is equal to 15, and hence x will become 15 upon 8, and that is our required answer. Now moving forward to part C, 32 upon 2x less 5 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 4. Let's start. In first step, we move minus 3 to the second side like that. 1 upon 4 plus 3. By taking the LCM of 4 and 1, we get 4. So 32 upon 2x minus 3 will become 13 upon 4. Now by cross multiplying, means 4 multiplied by 32 is equal to 13 multiplied by 2x minus 3. What we get is 128 is equal to 13 times 2 is 26x less plus minus minus 13 times 3 is 39. So 128 less 39, 26x. So 128 less 39 will become 89 is equal to 26x, or we can say that x will equal to 89 upon 26, and that is our required answer. Now moving to part D, 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1. Now just by starting moving minus 1 on this side, we get 1 plus half x plus 2. 1 plus half is 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon x plus 2. Now by cross multiplying, we get 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 2. So 3x will become 2 minus 6 is minus 4, and x will become minus 4 upon 3, and that is our required answer. Now moving to part E, y plus 5 upon y minus 6 is equal to 5 upon 4. Starting with cross multiplying, so 4 times y is 4 y plus 5 is equal to 5 y minus 6. 4y, 5 times 4 is 20, 5y plus minus minus 5 times 6 is 30. So by rearrange, we get 20 plus 30 is equal to 5y minus 4y is 50 is equal to 5 minus 4y is only y. So our y become 50. Now moving on the part F, 2y plus 1 upon 3y minus 5 is equal to 4 upon 7. Let's start by cross multiplying. 7 times of 2y plus 1 is equal to 4 times of 3y minus 5. 3 times 2 is 14, y plus 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 7 times 1 is 7 is equal to 4 times 3 is 12y plus minus minus 4 times 5 is 20. Now by rearranging, what we get is 14y less 12y is equal to minus 20 minus 7. 14y minus 12y will become 2y is equal to minus 27, and our y will become minus 27 upon 2, and that is our required answer. Now moving to the second last part, G. 2 upon y minus 2 is equal to 3 upon y plus 6. Let's begin by cross multiplying. 2 times of y plus 6 is equal to 3 times of y minus 2. By solving, 2 times of y is 2y plus 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 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times y is 3y plus minus minus 3 times 2 is 6. Now by rearranging, what we get, 12 plus 6 is equal to 3y minus 2y. 12 plus 6 is 18, 3y less 2y is 1y or only y, and that is our required answer. Now last part, 2 upon 7y minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 9y minus 5. Let's begin with the cross multiplication. 2 times of 9y minus 5 is equal to 3 times of 7y minus 3. Now by solving, 2 times 9 is 18, y plus minus minus 2 times 5 is 10 is equal to 3 times 7 is 21, y plus minus minus 3 times 3 is 9. Now by rearranging, what we get, minus 10 plus 9 is equal to 21y less 18y. By solving, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1, 21y less 18y gives us 3y, and hence our y will become minus 1 upon 3, and that is our required answer. Now question number 11, part A. 10x less 5x upon 4, 5x plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 7. Let's begin. First we take the LCM of 1 and 3 and get 3. So 3 times of 10x minus 1 times of 5x plus 4 is equal to 7. By solving, 3 times of 10 is 30, x plus minus minus 5x plus minus minus 4 is equal to 7 times 3 is 21. Now 30x less 5x is 25x, and this whole moving to the right side become positive is equal to 21 plus 4 is 25, and our x will become 25 upon 25, that is 1 is our required answer. Part B, 4x upon 3 minus x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 4. Now by taking the LCM of 3 and 2 we get 6. So 2 times of 4x minus 3 times of x minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 4. By solving, we get 8x plus minus minus 3x minus minus plus 1 and 30 upon 4. So 4 times 2 is 2, 4 times 15 is 30. So 8x less 3x will become 5x, and this plus sign moves on the other side by getting 15 upon 2, 15 upon 2 minus 1, and that is 13 upon 5x, and hence our x will become 13 upon 10, and that is our required answer. Now part C, x minus 1 upon 3 minus x plus 3 upon 4 is equal to minus 1. Let's start by taking the LCM. 3 and 4, the LCM will be 12. Now 4 times x minus 1 minus 3 times of x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. By solving we get 4x less 4 minus 3x minus 9 is equal to minus 12. By solving 4x less 3x will become only x, minus 4 minus 9 will become minus 13 is equal to minus 12, and our x will become 13 less 12, that is x is equal to 1 is our required answer. Now part D, 1 minus y upon 5 upon y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 3 bracket y minus 1. Now by rearranging 1 is equal to y plus 5 upon 3 plus 3y minus 3. Now we can move this minus 3 on this side, so it will become 4, and then we take the LCM of 3 and 1. So y plus 5 plus 3 times of 3y is 9y, and this 3 move with on the other side, becoming 3 times 4 is 12 is equal to 9y plus 1y is 6y plus 5. By rearranging we get 6y is equal to 12 less 5, 6y becomes 12 plus 5 is 7, and our y will become 7 upon 6, that is our required answer. Now the last two parts, second last part is 6 bracket y minus 2 upon 7 minus 12 is equal to 2 times of y minus 7 upon 3. First of all, in first step we have to rearrange the equation. For our is 6y plus minus minus 6 times 2 is 12 upon 7. This minus 12 move on this side, and this whole term will be on left side will become minus 2 times of y is 2y plus minus minus 2 times 7 is 14 upon 3 is equal to 12. Now by taking the LCM of 7 and 3 we get 21. Now 3 times of 6y minus 12 minus 7 times of 2y minus 14. Now 3 times 6 is 18, y minus 3 times 12 is 36, minus plus minus 7 times 2 is 14y, minus minus plus 7 times 14 is 98, and this 21 multiply with 12 become 252 I guess. Yes. Now by solving, 18y less 14y will give us 4y, minus 36 plus 98 give us plus 62 is equal to 250. By solving further, 4y becomes 252 less 62 and y will become 190 upon 4, that is 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 19 is 95, so our answer will become 95 upon 2. Last part, 7 minus 2y upon 2 minus 2 upon 5 bracket 2 minus y is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 4. Now let's begin with simplification. 7 minus 2y is the same as question 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times minus y is minus 2y upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 4. Now by taking the LCM of 2 and 5 we get 10. So 5 times 7 is 35 plus minus minus 5 times 2 is 10y. Now minus 2, 4 minus 2, 35 minus 10y minus 8 minus minus plus 4y, and this 10 moved on that side, so becoming 50 upon 4, or we can say it 25 upon 2. Now minus 10y plus 4y, what we get is minus 6y, plus 35 minus 8 plus 27 is equal to 25 upon 2. Now by rearranging, what we get is 6y is equal to 27 less 25 upon 2. By taking the LCM, 54 minus 25 upon 2. Now what we get, 6y is equal to 29 upon 2, and y will become 29 upon 2 by 6, that is 29 upon 12 is our required answer. Hopefully you understand all the question. If you have faced any problem, do make a comment, I will explain you later. Thanks for watching.